This tutorial is for Mobius assessment, homework number 5, question number 9. On one day, the 10 most popular YouTube videos showed a shortest running time of 42 seconds and a longest running time of 9 minutes and 15 seconds. The average length, or mean, was reported at 4 minutes and 15 seconds. The median running time was a little less than the mean running time. What is the combined running time of all 10 videos? Hint: consider how the mean is calculated. And we want the answer in minutes and seconds. You'll see on the right side of the screen I have a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet open just to kind of organize the data that they've given us. I have the top 10 videos. The shortest running one is 42 seconds and the longest running one. And so I have this in order of the shortest to the longest, and then the longest one is going to be 9 minutes 15 seconds. I know that the mean is 4 minutes 15 seconds and that I know how the mean is calculated. The other thing I have in here is that the median running time is a little less than the mean running time. So the mean is 4 minutes 15 seconds, and because I have an even number of data points, the median was actually the average of the two middle numbers. So I'm going to put it here as both of them. 4 minutes, and it's going to be a little less than the mean, so 4 minutes, I don't know, 13 seconds, something like that, just as a give us kind of an idea. Now, the reason they've done that for us is to show that we don't have any major outliers. For the mean, I calculate this by adding all the data points and dividing by the number of data points that I have. And the median right here, between these two, I guess I should align that so that it's exactly between 4 and 5, but so we get the idea that there's not a major outlier pulling the mean really high or really low between these two numbers. So they're all going to be approximately in here. So what we're going to do is work backwards to find, in the mean, to find the calculation for the sum. So I brought up a Word document here to have our calculation worked out. I have the sum of all data points divided by the number of data points, and this is how we calculate the mean. So I've thrown in, we have 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Unfortunately, that has two parts of the two units in there. So let's go ahead and combine those together and just get 1 unit. So to do that, I'm going to convert my 4 minutes into seconds and then add the 15 seconds. So over here I'm going to do equals. I'll take my 4 minutes, and there are 60 seconds in a minute. So I times this by 60, and then I'm going to add my 15 seconds, and then I have 255 that I can substitute in here. So I'm going to copy and paste this for my next step, and I'm just going to know that I have 255 seconds. Now the number of all data points, I was told that there are 10 videos, so I can replace that with 10 as well. Now to find the sum of all the data points, I just need to solve for this by multiplying both sides by 10. So 10 times this side, and this side also multiplied by 10. This will cancel out on this, on the left-hand side, the 10s will cancel out, and I'm simply left with the sum of all data points here. And then we're going to come down here, get rid of this on the bottom, like this, and to show that, you know, I'm going to go to my equation editor and just get rid of the fraction. So, I'm going to copy and paste just the top. Copy or Control X, I'm going to just delete it, and then Control V and put it back in so that it's outside of the the fraction. Okay, so now I just need to do my 255 times 10. If you're not comfortable multiplying by 10, you can do it over here in Excel, or to multiply by 10, you just move the decimal over 1 unit to the right. So I guess we don't need to do another, if you wanted another step in your process, you could have gone ahead and done that as well. So I know the sum of all the data points is 2,550 seconds, and it wants the answer in minutes and seconds. So we're going to come over here and we're going to go backwards now, and we'll take 2,550 and divide by 60 seconds. That gives us 42.5. So we're going to take the whole number. So I have 42 minutes. And then we're going to find what's left over. So we'll take, I should try and keep all of the calculations here. So we're going to take 2,550, subtract my 42 minutes, which is 42 minutes times 60 seconds, because we're dealing in seconds, to find what's left over, the remainder, which is 30. Now, some of you were already okay with saying half of a minute is 30 seconds, but it might not always work out really nicely. You might have something a little bit more just a larger decimal right there. So to show you how to do that, we take our total and we subtract the whole amount so that we get our leftovers, which is 30 seconds. So we end up with the total sum of all the data points as being 42 minutes, 30 seconds. Good luck on your homework.